Is the Trio solar wall light really the perfect up and down light for your home? Hi everyone, I'm Becky and this is the SolarCentre, where solar lighting actually works. This is everything you need to know about the Trio solar up and down wall light. Let's get into it. The Trio solar wall light creates mesmerizing patterns on your walls with its up and down LED lights. Emitting 80 lumens and a warm white glow, this light is IP65 weatherproof and has a 2.5 watt solar panel. There are a total of 6 LEDs with this product, 3 at the top and 3 at the bottom. The measurements of this light are 10 centimeters tall, 21 centimeters wide and 6 centimeters deep. Let's open up the box and have a look. Inside the box we have the instructions, the screws, the cardboard guide and the solar light itself. Everything you need to install this light comes in this box. The only thing you're going to need is a screwdriver or a drill. You can find the on-off switch on the back of the light. Press it once for standard mode, press it twice for power saving mode, which offers 50% brightness. This mode works really well in winter. And if you want to turn the light off, simply press the button a third time and the light will turn off. Once you've established where you want to hang your light, you can use the included cardboard guide to mark out where you need to drill your holes. Once you've drilled the holes and screwed the screws into place, simply slide the light onto the screws and you're good to go. Make sure the light isn't obstructed by any trees, buildings or fences, as the shadows will cause the light not to work properly. This light features an automatic 8-hour timer that switches on at dusk. To ensure this light stays illuminated for the full 8 hours, it needs at least 6 hours of charge in direct sunlight throughout the day. If you have any questions on this product, please do leave a comment below. Be sure to like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks so much for watching and we'll see you in the next one.